Hello everybody, welcome to our POV drive of this brand new TLX Type S. Take a look at that. This is of course the performance version of the TLX, highly anticipated product. We got it right here. Let's take for a spin today. We'll take a quick look at the exterior first. As you can see, you do have a lot of performance bits thrown in. The really large, nice looking 20-inch multi-spoke alloys. Quad exhaust with the butterfly valve, sounds fantastic. Large spoiler, Type S branding. This was going to be a little over $53,000. Here's your key fob. It does have Type S branding on it. Remote start. And let's take a look at the interior here. Obviously we have the red option. This looks excellent with the gray exterior. You can also get a white option or a black option. And you have the Alcantara located right here in the middle. The black piping, very comfortable. These are 16-way power adjusting. So you have power adjusting bolsters as well as a power thigh extension. That's definitely a nice touch. Aluminum pedals, Type S branding. All this is finished in our genuine textured aluminum. We have real speaker grills made with metal. And then we have the memory seats. So of course the materials in here are going to be A+. You've got a leather dashboard with the color contrast stitching that continues down here. We have a large piece of this really nice textured aluminum through here. Of course all this is going to fit together very nicely as well. And to start, you're just going to press this metal button right there. Before we take off, let's just take a quick look around at a few other things. Of course, you got those sport gauges there with the white and red finish there. A 7-inch multi-function display. There is no head-up display though on the Type S. And then taking a look at the wheel, nice flat bottom shape here, special branding, really thick rimmed, very nice feeling in the hand. Paddle shifters, of course. Over here, you got your wireless phone charging pad, plenty of storage underneath that console there. You've got a really banging audio system. This is the 17-speaker ELS 3D Studio. Really sounds excellent. Push button shifter here. We do have a standard backup camera with parking sensors, multi-views, but it's not 360. Heated and ventilated seats, and then you've got that touchpad to control the infotainment system. But let's go ahead and get to what you came for. Let's start the drive. So we're going to start off today's drive in the normal drive mode. Each drive mode that you go through is going to change the exhaust sound. So comfort is going to close the butterfly valve permanently. Normal is going to open it just a little bit at start up, but then close it in normal driving. As you go into the sport mode, that's going to keep it on most of the time, but when you're cruising on the highway, it will close it up so you don't have drone. And then the Sport Plus, that's going to be the most hardcore. That's going to leave it open permanently. Oh, I changed my mind. I'm actually going to go ahead and stick it in sport mode. Why not hear the exhaust straight from the beginning? So while we wait here, let's talk about some specifications real fast. So what this is an exclusive 3-liter turbocharged V6 engine. It's going to be putting down 355 horsepower, 354 pound-feet of torque, and pairing that with 10-speed automatic and super handling all-wheel drive. And there we go. That was up to 70 miles per hour. Really nice and strong acceleration. Obviously, plus the power down, fantastic with the super handling all-wheel drive. And the exhaust, really, they've done a great job with this. It's got a lot of different sounds. So you've got that bass level growl to it, which I really like. Yeah, listen to that downshift rev matching. Really like that. You also get a lot of turbo whirl, which I think is a really cool touch. You can definitely really hear that turbo spooling up. And you also can see that in the gauges. So you got the little, when you went to sport, that puts up the G meter right there, and also the turbo boost gauge. Just another little extra sporty touch. So the 10-speed automatic, that's going to shift 40% faster than in the other versions of the TLX. And of course, with the super handling all-wheel drive, you have the rear bias. So it's about 70% of the power to the back at all times. And speaking of 40%, the front spring rate is also going to be 40% stiffer in this Type S versus the A-Spec. And you can tell that definitely when you're out driving on a road, particularly a curvy road, you really feel that extra stiffness on board. I would say the steering is not super heavy, but once you get moving quicker, it does tighten up really nicely. try out the Sport Plus. You do have to click and hold that for a few seconds. It's just Acura's way of making sure you're ready for all the performance you're getting ready to unlock. Of course, if you want our full driving impressions, as always, make sure you check out our dedicated full review. But for the remainder of this video, I'm just really gonna shut up and let you guys just enjoy the ride. It really holds revs very strongly when you go into the Sport Plus mode. Do have the little animation there when you get out.